Hello guys, how are you doing today? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Angui. On this channel we do amazing product review of products that we have used, our customers have used, and they are tests that they are really good products. Now we are in the rainy season, so I want to review to you insect killer. Like this one, it kills everything. Cockroaches, ants, mosquitoes. You don't want to go to the hospital every time for malaria treatment, so I recommend you this insect killer. We call it Lodao. Lodao insect killer. It helps to kill cockroaches, ants, mosquito, and then you know this wall okay. When you spray it, the thing runs for its dear life. You don't want to cook and then you keep your spoon for that wall to go and lick it. So cockroaches, mosquitoes, you don't want to go into the hospital all the time for malaria treatment. You know, when it's rainfall, cockroaches will have to leave the hidden areas like that place, and then they'll come and walk on your food in the kitchen, and you don't want that. So I recommend you having this insect killer. It works wonders. It works wonders, like wonders. If you like, you ask your neighbor has it in their house. It works wonders. So that's basically all about this one. You make sure you shake it very well, then you spray it. Now you might be asking me the ingredients that are used in making this product. Just check here. You can see the ingredients. There, see the ingredients and everything is on it. So that's basically it. And then it is fast action. Fast action. Yes, so how do you use it? You use it 2 times every week. Either you spray your house every Mondays and Fridays, 2 times every week. That's how you use it. It helps with time, and you don't even see the cockroaches again. Everything has gone away. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do let me know if you know about this product or you've used it before and how was your experience. And until now, like, comment and share. I'll see you in our next video.